Are you tired of outdated hiring processes? Recruiting can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Top Echelon's innovative platform transforms your recruitment experience. Our Recruit software simplifies everything for you. With us, you'll save time, reduce stress, and make more placements effortlessly. Over 3,500 satisfied customers trust our tools to manage their hiring needs. We stand out with our client-first approach and commitment to excellence. It's not just software, it's a partnership for success. Picture this: seamless collaboration, unmatched support, and a brighter future for your recruiting business. Don't settle for less when you can elevate your hiring process with Top Echelon. Join the future of recruiting today. Visit our website and see how Recruit can transform your hiring strategy.